Hey folks, Jeff Nevers here, Old Car Revival. I want to show you another sweet classic car we got in the shop. Now this particular car is really why I got into hot rodding, into classic cars, or even into cars in general, being an automotive technician. I used to have one of these little Hot Wheels. We got one in the shop. This thing's amazing. Yeah, you already know. 1962 Chevy Corvette. This was the last year of the Gen 1 C1 Corvette. First year for that sloping back. Man. Convertible, black, red interior. I mean, I've said we've had some cool cars in here before. I've said it doesn't get any better than this. But this is it, for real. 62 Corvette, black, red interior. Now this thing, beautiful black paint. The body looks all stock original, but this thing is not stock. It has got a hot small block in it. 4-speed, the Hurst shifter. You see it's got the slot wheels on it. Full frame off restoration. This thing is just as beautiful on the bottom side as it is on the top side. Dual headlights. It's got a big old hood scoop on it, so you know there's something a little more going on. This car came in not starting. The starter would not gauge on the flywheel. The ring gear had got tuned up. We corrected the starter fitment, pulled the flywheel off and replaced the ring gear on it. Starts like a charm. Works just like it's supposed to. So definitely not taking any responsibility on this beautiful build. I did get to chat with the builder of the car and the owner. Step-by-step process on making sure everything was perfect on it. But man, we enjoyed working on it. Super clean. I just can't get enough. Can't quit looking at it. 62 Corvette in Old Car Revival, Copeland, Texas. Hope y'all enjoy. See you later. Let's just make sure that starter works. Check this thing out. Oh yeah, it works good. All right, for real. See you later.